Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to reset all settings on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to General Management. In General Management, go to Reset. Here in Reset, you can see the Reset All Settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do stop this. And you can see here the Reset All Settings. Okay, this will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, account, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. And okay guys, okay, to reset all settings, you'll have to do is tap the reset settings button. And another, okay, reset all settings. All settings will be reset to their defaults and can't be recovered. To apply the new settings, your phone will restart. And okay guys, so tap the reset button to continue. And okay guys, restarting device to reset setting. Okay, please wait. And your phone is automatically turned off. And turn on again. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully reset all settings on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.